Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where this green line here is coming from, which is valued at 50 cents. And 50 cents definitely a very important level, and I'll explain that here in just a second. But as of right now, I'm not going to say that the chart's ruined, but the chart is definitely looking very, very shaky. Late day on Wednesday, the price had that big surge of volume the last 30 minutes. And then today, started off very, very nicely. In fact, the majority of the day went all the way up there and, was making a whole lot of sense in regards to, it surged final 30 minutes on Wednesday. So that would make sense that it's now continuing that upwards movement today. But then all of a sudden the afternoon showed up and back down it went. So does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? No, I'm not going that far, and I'll explain that here in a second. But overall, that is why I would say the chart's looking pretty shaky right now, because it was doing so well, and now all of a sudden it's sitting right at a very important level, and that level being the 50-cent mark. Why is 50 cents so important? Well, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to 50 cents and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was before the big movement happened today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything of that nature. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price does still come down here, but the difference being behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and that's why that 50-cent mark is still, in play and so important. So yeah, the chart's looking shaky in the sense of it's getting close to potentially breaking through that level, but it hasn't broken through it yet. So there's still that opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.